Hello. In this video, I would like to quickly show you how I want to propose that we will work with the cleaner tasks. So basically, what I'm proposing is that we play catchball, not only for cleaning, but for everything that we do. What do I mean with catchball? That means that if we at Travel Essence throw the ball, in this case to the cleaners, then we are not done until we receive the ball back. That means that if we, for example, in this case, if we give a task to the cleaners, and in our case we are being helped by Guesty because they automatically create these tasks, then we are not done until we have actually closed that task after we receive the cleaning completed message from the cleaners. So in that case we close it or we cancel it in case that, for example, the cleaning was not performed because the guest extended its stay. So what kind of advantage does this have? So one advantage is that if we, for example, if I running around somewhere in the countryside and I get a call from a guest asking whether he can check in, I don't have to go through hundreds and hundreds of pictures online, but can actually just see, go directly to the listing, see what the status of the cleanliness is, and I can immediately tell the guest, yes, you can check in or you cannot check in. So that will go a lot smoother. Another example and advantage of doing it this way is, for example, Hausan can see which cleaning tasks have been assigned to a cleaner Premio, for example, which have been cancelled and which have been performed, and it will make it much easier for her to actually check the invoice. So that's why I suggest we're going to play catchball. So what does it look like in Guesty? So this is the Premio report of today. I already closed a few of the tasks, but for argument's sake, this is the cleaning report for Premio today. That's all the tasks that have the status pending, and that is for today assigned to Premio. So here you can see what is on the menu for Premio today. So now when I open a line and I get a report, for example, I close this one, but for example, Okino. Okino, the shared space, we have Okino 102 and 202, the share and the shared space. So let me check the pictures here. Let me do it big so I can see it better. Alright, this looks clean. Also check for toilet paper and things like that. Is the garbage can emptied here? That looks like it has been emptied. That looks good. This also looks clean. No problems there. There's not so much hand soap, but I guess that's still enough for now to last another week. This will not go so fast. Here we have the sheets. Looks clean. Too small. Cannot really see if there's dust on the floor here. Just assume that it's not. This is 202. Here's the room with the television. Okay, looks clean. Clean. No problems here. Garbage is empty. This picture doesn't tell me much. Okay, cannot see the lights here. That's a pity. But I've been there yesterday, so I know it's okay. The stairs look clean. That's nice. Nothing in the toilet here. Cannot see the paper situation. Okay, that looks clean. Okay. That must be 202 because I know there are double beds there. Yeah, twin beds. Okay. All right. So you go through the pictures and say, okay, well, I confirm that Okino and the shared space have been cleaned. So I close them. I go, and I'm going to look here for Okino 202 and the shared space. So open 202. The only thing you need to do here is go to the and mark it as completed. All right, so what does that do? So if I would go now to the listing, you see it's marked as clean. So if I get a call for somebody who wants to check in the 202, then I can see it has the status clean. So Okino shared space, I also mark as cleaned. You see, it's not a lot more work. It's very simple. You close it, and then where is Okino 102? That's interesting. So Okino 102 is not there. So let's have a look why Okino 102 has also been cleaned. Aha, that's it. Because it wasn't cleaned yet. Well, very luckily, fortunately, a colleague of mine has put that in the calendar, so I now understand why 102 has not been set to cleaned yet. All right, so basically what I would do now is I would go back and say, for example, in the past, and open cleaning in the past. In this case, I already deleted everything because I want to create a clean slate. But then I can close the tasks that have not been completed yet. So if I refresh it, then we'll get to the original report. So Okino is completed. Now, so this is how you are supposed to do it, and if everything goes well, then by the end of the day everything is set to cleaned, or we'll get a status cancelled. And if we do that, then we will be able to play catchball together. All right, if you have any questions, you know where to find me. Thank you.